Okay, so as I was saying, multiplying square roots, you have 3 steps that you're going to follow. When you go to multiply square roots, what's the very first thing that you should look to do every single time?
Multiply your coefficients.
Yes, multiply your coefficients. In this particular problem, do you have coefficients that you can multiply?
No.
Nope. So we move on to step 2. Step 2 is what?
Factor radicand.
Factor our radicand. So what 2 numbers can I multiply together for 60?
16.
6 and 10. Then what?
Then you're going to have 2 and 3. Circle both of them and 2 and 5.
Nice. And then from there, we factor our other radicand of 24. What 2 numbers can I multiply together to get 24? 6 and 4. You know it. Keep going.
All right, 2 and 4, and 3 and 2 and 6.
Nice. Now, the second part of this step is to put all of these factors in order under how many square root signs? 1. When you multiply, you use 1 square root sign for all of the factors. So, when I go to put them in order, how many 2's am I going to write out? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, 5, right? That's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Then from there, how many 3's am I going to write out? 2. So 1, 2. And then what? 1, 5. And then make sure my square root sign is long enough to cover all my numbers. So step 1 is done. Step 2 is done. Step 3, we're going to circle our factor pairs because we're going to go ahead and simplify as normal from here. So I have quite a few factor pairs here I'm going to circle. All these factor pairs go where? The outside as the coefficient. Nice. So what's going to be my coefficient?
2 times 3 times 5.
Wait, the 5, is that 5 circled?
Oh, no.
No. Only the circled numbers become a single number on the outside. So then I'm going to put my square root sign. What are the numbers that are left as the radicand? What number did not have a pair?
5 and 2.
So I'm going to put 2 times 5. And then from here,
I got mine.
okay.
Yeah, I knew you was going to say it. That's okay.
I was getting ready to, but you're impressing me. You're impressing me. Okay, so multiply your coefficient. 2 times 2 times 3, 12. And then
10.
square root 10. Good. And box it. I know we went through that pretty fast, so I'll give you guys about 30 more seconds to get it down. If you already got it, awesome. If you already have it, flip it over and do your next problem. Okay, here we go. Next one. Jaden, what am I supposed to do for step 1?
Multiply 6 times
Yeah, multiply your coefficients, which equals
12.
12. Step 2, Jalen.
Oh, you can factor 10.
Okay, go ahead. Which,
5 times 2.
okay, and then for 20,
10 times 2.
okay.
Yeah.
And then for 10, we know again is,
2 times 5.
what do I do with all of these numbers? So I put them under a single square root sign in order. So how many 2's am I going to write? 3, so 2 times 2. Now what do I write?
Put the 5.
How many?
1.
So I have 1. Do I just have 1 5 or should I add another one?
Oh, 2.
Yeah, there it is. See, I go through, I cancel them out as I go to make sure I have everything. So I have 5 numbers circled. I have 5 numbers written under my radicand. All right, last step. Alex?
What? Circle the pairs.
Circle my pairs. The pairs cancel, and they go outside as a coefficient. What is the first coefficient, that I have to remember to write?
2.
No.
12.
12. Don't forget that 12. Then what's going to join that 12?
2.
Then the
2. Wait, won't it be 5?
it'll be 5 because I only put my circled pairs. What's stuck on the inside that did not have a pair?
2.
2. And from here, we go ahead and simplify our coefficient. So 12 times 2 times 5,
Is 120.
120. And then the radicand stays the same because we don't have to simplify it. And that's my final answer.